Hola mga katropa. Ito, meron tayong continuation doon sa discussion natin tungkol sa isang asawa na hindi na makita o kaya nawala ng communication ng halimbawa mahigit isang 10 taon na. Meron actually isang Supreme Court decision na nagsasabi na yung absence o kaya yung ganyan na hindi kayo nagkita for how many years, wala ng communication is a sign of psychological incapacity. So, kung na-meet mo yung requirement na yun, ayon dun sa Supreme Court decision na yun, pwede ka namang hindi na kailangan or hindi na necessary na you have to declare the husband or the wife as presumptively dead. Pwede ka nang mag-file ng petition for a declaration of nullity kung pasok dun sa kaso na yun yung situation mo. So again, hindi ko sinasabi na just because absence ng more than 10 years o kaya ilang taon na hindi kayo nagko-communicate, wala na talaga, hindi mo na alam kung nasaan siya is ground na talaga yon. You have to meet the requirements dun sa sinabi ng Supreme Court. Although sabi nga niya, it is a sign of psychological incapacity. At kung hindi naman, you have to file a petition to declare your husband or your wife as presumptively dead. But going back to the previous discussion, you have to prove na talaga you have to let the court believe you na you did everything you can para mahanap yung tao at talagang kahit anong gawin mo, hindi na talaga siya mahanap. So that will be the time na sasabihin siguro ang korte sa'yo na okay, we will declare that person presumptively dead, and after that, pwede ka nang mag-asawa. So hopefully paliwanag yun mga kaibigan. See you around.